okay, kids. It's another day. We got lazy and didn't wear and wore the same clothes. Anyway, no, we're going to talk about our hose clamp pliers from Orion Motor Tech. And by the way, this video is sponsored by them. And we're going to actually be using it on the turd right here. But we're going to show you what's going on in it. And it actually came with some gloves. Now, see what I got going on here? And then it's there. I think Orion Motor Tech hooked Peyton up with some gloves.
Yep.
Because, you know, anyway. So, let's open this guy up. Hopefully, things didn't settle in shipping. No, it's fine. You know what? We're going to get set up on the table here. 1 second. There it is. Anyway, no. So, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pliers. This remote bad boy here, I don't even know. And this will help you dig out your hose, you know. We're not going to be digging out any hoses today. I mean, we should probably just start this thing on fire. But, you know, you stick it in there, and because it's, let's face it, those hoses have been on Clyde since the 40s. You know, you jam it in there and you kind of work it around. Anyway. And, yep, okay, yep, nope, yep, okay. We have that. Oh, two-sided. This side, never use unless you're prying with something. And then this side makes actually some sense. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to have, they help me get it. I need an adult. No, I'm good. All right. Oh, hey. Woo. We're going to get set up over there, and I'm going to have somebody work on, you know, Clyde.
Because you hate him.
Yeah. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to Peyton wheel up. Huh? The welding table? Then we put the wheels on? Oh, wait. Remember? Anyway, so we got a little work table. Now we're going to open up. Well, Peyton's going to do it. Because I need an adult still. All right, so we're going to get closer up here.
Ow.
Yeah. So we got our choice of things. Try this one. Peyton, you're stuck back there.
I know. There. I'm not stuck anymore.
Okay. You know what? I got this is too short. This is too short. Just like this one. It has got a lock on it, so you can, you know, lock it in place. So especially if you have to wiggle it around on there, it's not right for what we're doing. But I'll tell you what, that's pretty slick, man. You can turn this one right here to get it matched up. But yeah, it's not the right one for what we got going on. Hold on. Anybody have kids out there? Why is it you got to say things 47 times before they listen to it once? Put down the thing. Okay, we looked through all of them. We found the one that would be the best. Now, all of them do lock. There's one that doesn't, but it's not the right clamp for us. But this one right here is going to work great for what we got going on with Clyde. We've got a nice little, that's clamp on our fuel line that Peyton's going to do. And I'm just going to show you up close. She's going to go like this. Get it set to where it needs to be. Clamp it so it opens. And that's really it, man. It's super easy. So we're going to get you set up so you can watch. 1 second. Okay, so Peyton's going to take this clamp right here. Hold on. Let me get my... Got a little too... Oh, look at that. Perfect. Right here. There's a clamp right here. She's going to use these. She's going to squeeze this. And we'll see if it works. Yep. Look at that, kids. Slid it right back. Okay, now when she puts it back, all she's got to do is release that. Huh. Pretty cool. What do you think, Peyton?
Yeah. I've never seen these kind of pliers.
How easy was it to use?
Really easy. It's like squeezing air. It's that easy. bewilderment.
Okay, so this is actually really pretty cool. So if you got a pain in the butt like Clyde, well, you know what I mean. If you've got something that's kind of, you know, check this out. Oh, right there, watch. Huh? So you can get down in there and it even locks. See that? Pretty cool. Guess where we're going next? That's right. My Jeep. Guess who's not touching it? Guess who's gonna do it? All right, let's go check it out. Hey, remember how I showed you earlier? It was all icy and stuff? Not now. That's how fast it changes. Guess I'm going to Harbor Freight today. Woo-hoo-hoo! UPS just dropped off something cool. Peyton went to help. I don't know why she's bringing that in here because it's going to be in the way. But she's very helpful. She's going to put it between the two rigs. Yep, right in the way. Hey, watch it. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to we're going to actually try out those clamps, those clamp pliers on my Jeep. This is the 3.2 V6. This is the 2022. I bet if you ask Peyton what year the Roadster was, she'd tell you it's a 30.
It's 29.
Yeah, there you go. All right, so you can see right in here we've got one of those kind of clamps, and there's a lot of plastic. Lots and lots of plastic. There's lots, and there's one other one down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do one right up close, just because I'm not taking the plastic off of there, because this is probably the third time I've opened the hood. No, it's not. It's the second time I've opened the hood. You make sure when you are, this is just a sidebar. There's no 710 cap on this one. So it actually says engine oil and SAE 520. Make sure you're...
It's 5W20. Sorry.
Peyton wanted to be precise. I told her, nobody says that. Just like no one checks our oil anymore. Let's check this stuff. She is full, kids. Anyway. Oh, see all the safe marks on there? It's like 3 feet long. By the way, if anybody cares, which nobody does, I preferred the 2-liter turbo to this V6 because it would, this one, not so much. What I discovered, anyway, what I discovered is that this guy normally would be the right one. This was clamp C, or correct for Jeeps. Now, actually, make sure you guys look in the instructions that come with. But this is one that would actually be for that side one, the long one, you know, so you could be up here. Anyway, I mean, actually, there are so many of these style clamps on here that you really, this would work on this one. Guaranteed, it's a Chrysler, so, you know, probably work on this one here. Out of the way, lady! The Ram. Anyway, yeah. My battery has a blanket on it because it gets cold. Anyway, no, seriously. This set would actually work, I mean, for a lot. There's a lot of these style clamps that this would work on in here in the Jeep. If the truck happens to be unlocked, the foreman locks the truck in the garage. I don't do that because So I get insurance for. We're gonna get that one open too. You know, I can feel the hook, and I can't. I need to grown up. It's not. It's just. Come on, Chrysler. How do you expect people to get in here when you can't get in here? By the way, if you're driving down dirt roads, you're gonna get rock chips. All right, that was operator error. I was looking in the wrong spot. It's literally right. Can you guys see? You guys can't see. That's right.
It's in there.
It's literally right there. Anyway, you can see how dirty that is? You know why? Dirt roads. Orion Motor Tech, can you make something for me to keep my wife from driving on dirt roads? It'd be cool. Anyway, now, as you can see, everything is way back in there. This happens to be the 5.7 Hemi. And you can see that those clamps right there are just what we were using on. So this would be perfect candidate for those hose clamps. Pliers. Hose clamp pliers. Those are already hose clamps. Yeah. Somebody thinks I'm funny. Someone right here. Because I don't know how to. But one more time. You guys see right there? There's a whole bunch of them down there. 1, 2, 3.
There's 4.
There's one right there, believe me. This is just got on the door behind me.
I can see it.
The utility room. It's right there. Hey, look at that. Let's make it smaller. Right there. And then there's, you know, stuff back in here. Should be nicer if it wasn't so dirty in here. You know? It's only got 19,000 miles on it, and it looks like it's got 119,000 miles on it. All right. One more time I'm going to complain. That's it. Look at that. That is filthy. Clyde makes this thing look clean. What's going on here? Anyway, you can see, and there's another style clamp. There's a lot of them here. I know we're goofing around a little bit too much, but anyway, those hose clamp pliers would be great for this one. That one? No. That one? Yes. Okay, so what do we discover? Peyton doesn't listen to me. We knew that already, didn't we? No, actually, seriously, the hose clamp plier set from Orion Motor Tech, this I've still got just in my pocket. It's very user-friendly. Like Peyton said, it is literally, I mean, there's no effort to it at all, and it moves those clamps around fine. It would work perfectly for you if you're doing stuff on, let's say, the 5.7 Hemi from Chrysler, or a Jeep from Chrysler. Jeep. Yep. Anyway, no, these are actually pretty good. We really do appreciate Orion Motor Tech sending it to us. We will be putting a link in the description to their Amazon page with these directly. We're also going to be putting their website on the thing. They're having a big Black Friday sale, by the way, kids. We will be too, but we'll cover that later on a different video in the store. Anyway, give these guys a look. Orion Motor Tech. You know, we're going to have down the thing. Peyton's still here.
I can leave.
All right, Peyton. What do you think?
These things, are like I said, they're literally like pressing air. It's that easy. Like when I was doing clamp on Clyde, all I had to do was take my hand and go and squeeze just lightly, and it was perfect.
Cool. Make sure when you order these, you do look at the instructions that come with them to make sure you're using the right set of pliers for your application. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should we get out of here?
Yeah.
Cool.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on enriching. Have a great day.
Not really sure where we're gonna go because this is our house, but you know, whatever.
I can go outside.